Thanks for joining us for our hands-on preview of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 smartphone in all four main color options. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 comes in four main color options, which will be available worldwide in both retail and online stores. Now, let's take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy Flip 6 and all four color options. Let's start with the yellow version. As you can see, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 now sports a bold camera ring design. It is the same size as last year's Galaxy Z Flip 5, but the thicker camera ring design means it won't be compatible with the Flip 5 covers. The SIM tray is located on the left side of its foldable display. At the bottom, you will find its lower speaker port, as well as a microphone port, and its USB Type-C port. The power and volume control buttons are located on the right side of the foldable display. At the top of the foldable display, you will find two more microphones. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 uses the same 10-megapixel front camera as the Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 now comes with a new 50-megapixel camera at the back, paired with the same 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera. The dual rail hinge looks the same, but it has been improved with better shock distribution. Now, let's take a look at the Silver Shadow version. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 cover screen and back cover are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the same as last year. However, it now has 10% better scratch resistance thanks to its enhanced armor aluminum frame. Internally, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, which offers better performance. It also features a vapor chamber for the first time, which is 150% larger than the one used in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 now comes with 12 GB of memory, but storage options remain at 256 GB or 512 GB. In addition, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 now comes with a larger 4000 mAh battery with a longer battery life. Now, let's take a look at the mid version of the Galaxy Z Flip 6. We should point out that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is IP48 rated for the first time. In addition to its water resistance at up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is now protected against solid objects larger than 1 millimeter. This does not mean it is dust resistant, but it has been engineered to keep out small stones and the like from its delicate innards. Finally, let's take a look at the blue version of the Galaxy Z Flip 6. We hope you found this video useful. For more details, please click on the link in the description for our article. Please share this video and our article with those who are interested in the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. And please support our work by subscribing to our channel and sponsoring us through the links below. Thank you.